we are continuing with examples on tangents and normals. Let us take this question. Find the equation of tangents to the curve y equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 at the point where it cuts x-axis. At the point where it cuts x-axis. Now, when it cuts x-axis, y equal to x minus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 cuts x-axis for y equal to 0 or not. That means x equal to 7, y equal to 0 means numerator 0. That is at 7, 0. Got the idea? Point mil gaya. Now I need slope of the tangent. For slope of the tangent I need dy by dx. For dy by dx denominator must be multiplied out. Now y equal to x minus 7 by, what is it? X square minus 5x plus 6. What is dy by dx? Denominator square. X square minus 5x plus 6 का square. Denominator x square minus 5x plus 6. Derivative of numerator is 1. Minus numerator x minus 7. Derivative of denominator, that is 2x minus 5. Now at a dy by dx become, a means x जगह में 7 लगाओ 7, क्या मिला? 7 square minus 35 plus 6, ये 0 by 7 square minus 35 plus 6 का square. It is 1 by 49 plus 6, 55 minus 35, 20. Then equation of the tangent is y minus y1 m 1 by 20 x minus x1. You got? Simplify. ये आंसर नहीं है. You will have to simplify and get the result. Okay? Let us take another question. You see how I am solving questions. You will have to solve all the questions from your book NCERT and exemplar. Find the equation of the tangent. Normal ले लेते हैं. Find the equation of the normal to 3x square minus y square equal to 8, which are parallel to x plus 3y equal to 4. Okay. Now a line parallel to this line means slope of that line is also same as slope of this line. So what is slope of the line? सीधा निकाल सकते हैं. Get dy by dx. क्या मिला? 1 plus 3 dy by dx 0. तो it is minus 1 by 3. ये एक तरीका है. दूसरा मेथड, apply your formula. Minus a by b. A is 1, b is 3. Now slope of the line is minus 1 by 3. Now from the equation 3x square minus y square equal to 8, differentiate and get 6x minus 2y dy by dx equal to 0 or not. So what is dy by dx? It is 6x by 2y, 4x by y. Now slope of the normal at any point is minus 1 by slope of the tangent dy by dx. That is minus y by 4x. But this is equal to minus 1 by 3 given. Why this is equal to minus 1 by 3? The tangent is parallel to what? Oh, it is 4x, not 3x. 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 Over. Now, the tangent, the normal is parallel to the given line. The slope of the normal is same as slope of the line. So this gives me y equal to x. Now, putting y equal to x in the given equation, क्या मिला? 3x square minus x square is 8. So 2x square is 8. So x is plus minus 2. And y is also, when x is 2, y is 2. When x is minus 2, y is minus 2. Y is plus minus 2. So I got x equal to 2 implies y equal to 2, and x equal to minus 2 implies y is also minus 2. Therefore, the required points, the points are A, 2, 2, and B, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Now, I need equation of the time normal at these points. Slope तो हमारे पास है. Slope is minus 1 by 3. Okay. Then at A, 2, 2. Equation of the normal is y minus y1 is m minus 1 by 3 x minus x1. Simplify and get. And at B, minus 2 minus 2. Equation of the normal is y plus 2 minus 1 by 3 x plus 2 over. आ रहा है समझ में? So in this way, okay, if the line is parallel to, tangent is parallel to a line, then slope of the tangent is same as slope of the line. Get point and others. Another question. Find equation of the tangent to y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. That is perpendicular to x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Your NCERT question and old board question. Now, slope of the given line minus a by b minus 1 by 14. Okay. Slope of the tangent to the curve, that is dy by dx. निकालो 3x square plus 2. Now tangent is perpendicular to the line, means m1 m2 is minus 1. m1 minus 1 by 14. m2 3x square plus 2, that is minus 1. Okay, m1 m2 is minus 1. Why? The lines are perpendicular to each other. Tangent is a line and this line is given. So I got 3x square plus 2 is 14. So 3x square is 12. So x is plus minus 2. So if x is plus minus 2, x equal to 2 gives me y is equal to, equation में डालो 8 plus 12, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 6, 18. X equal to minus 2 gives me y is equal to minus 8 minus 4 minus 12 plus 6 minus 6. So the points are A 218 and B minus 2 minus 6. Now slope of the tangent, it is what? You see, this is dy by dx, dy by dx. Slope of the line is minus 1 by 14. Slope of the line into dy by dx is minus 1. So dy by dx क्या हुआ? Plus 14. So what is slope of the tangent? It is 14. Okay, because tangent is perpendicular to the given line. Line का slope ये. Okay, slope of tangent is perpendicular to the line. So slope of the tangent into this is m1 m2 is minus 1. So slope of the tangent is 14. Very simple. Then equation of the tangent at A, निकालो y minus y1 equal to m into x minus y minus y1 is m into x minus x1, y minus 18 equal to 14 into x minus 2. Then equation of tangent at B in the same style, y plus 6 equal to 14 into x plus 2. Okay, now let us take another question. Find the equation of tangents to this curve. Find the equation of tangent है normal ले लेते हैं, normal to the curve x square equal to 4y which passes through 1 2. Oh. Normal passes through this point. This point may not be the point of contact. The normal is drawn from this point. It is the normal is not at this point. Okay. So remember the difference between from and at. That means जब 1 2 इसमें इसको satisfy करेगा, then it may be at, but दिया है from. Sure. Now we need equation of normal to this curve. At which point? Not given. But tangent is it passes through this point is given. Now, so let the point of contact is, you may take x1 y1, you may take hk, a hk. So if this is point of contact, this point lies on the curve or not. Therefore, h square equal to 4k. This is my equation 1. Over. Now, find slope of the tangent. At any point. That is dy by dx निकालना है. What is dy by dx? We will have to differentiate. Now 2x equal to 4 dy by dx. Then what is dy by dx? X by 2 or not? Okay. Now at the point of contact, what is dy by dx? At A, dy by dx is h by 2. Okay. Now equation of the tangent at A. Oh, we don't need equation of tangent. We need equation of normal. Okay. The slope of the normal at A minus 1 by slope of tangent. that is minus 2 by h. Okay? Now, equation of the normal at A is y minus y1 means k, m क्या है minus 2 by h, x minus x1 means h. Over. Now, but this normal passes through what? 1 2. ये normal 1 2 देके जा रहा है, तो it must satisfy the coordinates of 1 2 must satisfy the equation. Therefore, I got 2 minus k equal minus 2 by h into 1 minus h. So this gives me 2h minus hk equal to minus 2 plus 2h. Cancelled. Okay. So I got hk is 2. This is equation 2. What was my equation 1? H square was 4k. Now, solving. Let us solve. 1 and 2. Okay. H square equal to 4 into k. What is k? 2 by h. That means h cube is 8. So h is 2. Therefore, k is what? 1. The required point is 2 1. And slope of the normal is how much? It is minus 2 by h. That is equal to minus 2 by 2. It is minus 1. Okay. Now, what is the equation of normal? Is y minus y1 is 1 equal to m minus 1 into x minus 2. Proved. What proved? Simplify and get the answer. Over. We will continue in our next video this same thing, more examples on tangent.